The Yeastar P-Series Software Edition now supports the Outbound call center feature. In this video, we'll show you how, as a manager, you can supervise and control your outbound call campaign and deal with your calling tasks as an agent with the Yeastar Outbound call center solution. As a queue manager, when arriving during business hours, the first thing to do is to check the outbound campaign running status with the simple-to-go tool, Campaign Workboard. As you can see, in the campaign overview, we have a campaign in process right now. Here you can supervise the campaign for its duration, the dollar amount you've set, the number of ongoing calls, and scheduled callbacks. Oversee the campaign at a glance. Furthermore, you can see this ongoing campaign's general outcome with key metrics: connection rate, real abandon rate, and completion rate. Of course, if you want it to be more straightforward, using the Filter tab to sort contacts by call status will be more intuitive. If you need more detailed information about the results, you can get it in a horizontal bar chart, which shows rates of dialing results and call disposition that have been put by all agents to display the results. Additionally, monitoring agents is the main task for a queue manager. The agent status panel is right behind the charts. In a nutshell, with the easy-to-go workboard, you're always in control, making data-driven decisions to keep your campaign running smoothly. At the same time, when you've just joined a live campaign and the system is already primed with a list of contacts ready for you to call, this is the workplace, the inbox. As you handle multiple calls, checking their status in one place becomes crucial. With just one glance, you can track multiple status like dialing, ringing, talking, holding, or wrap up, ensuring you're always on top of your tasks. After each call, tracking the outcome is essential to keep the campaign moving forward. Here, in the Business Results panel, you can label outcomes with pre-configured tags, like close deal or need to call back, and even schedule a follow-up callback directly from the panel. This easy-to-use tool is packed with robust capabilities to streamline your workflow. Moreover, what if the context list you're dialing contains your regular guests? An automatic customer information pop-up will appear and display details like their names, companies, and phone numbers. With this information, you can quickly engage with customers and provide a personalized and efficient service. The inbox makes managing outbound calls simpler and more efficient, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters: connecting with customers and driving campaign success. Alright, that was how we're going to use the Outbound call center solution on the Yeastar P-Series Software Edition. Hope you guys like it, and there's a 30-day free trial. Don't forget to give it a try, and I will catch you guys in the next one.